for my another video about learning. Our discussion for today is all about sum and difference formulas of the trigonometric. Okay, we have first the sum of difference formulas for the sine. We have the two formulas, which is sine plus AB equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, and the second one is the sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos E sine B. So let's have some examples. Okay, first, we need to find the exact value of sine 75 degrees. So, okay, the step one is to find the special angles, because our 75 degree is not special angles, kagaya naman ng 45, 60, 180, 90, yes, in the unit circle. So that's when our step one, find the special angles for the 75 na mag-equal siya sa 75 degrees. So we have two special angles na mag-equal siya sa 75 degree. So 45 plus 30 degree, 45 degree plus 30 degree is equals 75 degree. 120 degree plus minus yan, 45 degree equals 75 degree. So sa dalawa, mamimili lang kayo kung alin sa dalawa lang yung isa-solve nyo. So sa akin, I pick the positive sign for the first step, for the step 2. So I have the formula of sine A plus B, which is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So we can copy up this sine 45, our A is 45 degree, plus our B is 30 degree. So sine 45 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 45 degree sine 30 degree. So next to do is to find the value of the sine and cos of the numbers, which is the 45 degree and the 30 degree. So in the unit circle, find the sine 45 degree, which is the square root of 2 over 2, and find in the unit circle the value of cosine 30 degree, which is the square root of 3 over 2, plus, which is our sine, and our cos 45 degree in the unit circle is square root 2 over 2, and our sine 30 degree in the unit circle is equal to 1/2. So next is to multiply the equations, which is 2 times 3 is equal to 6, this one 6, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, this one. And the next, copy the sign, which is the plus, and in the next one is square root of 2 times 1, which is the square root of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we have the answer of square root of 6 over 4 plus square root of 2 over 4. So to get the answer for that, we have this one. The answer is square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over, we can copy the numbers because it is the same. That is the rule also in the finding sum and difference formula. So this is our answer of our sine 45 degree plus 30 degree, or the value of sine 75 degree. Square root of 6 over plus square root of 2 over 4. Okay. Next, we have the example of find the exact value of sine pi over 12. So, kanina, degree yung ginamit natin. Ngayon naman, radian naman tayo. So, okay, all we need to do is the conversion. Step 1 equals pi over 12 and multiply by 180 degree over pi. And this is the conversion to radian to degree to convert. So we have the answer of 50 degree. So our 15 degree is not a special angle. So we need to find some special angles to equal for the 15 degree. So we have these three. Nakahanap ako ng tatlo. No? We have 45 degree minus 30 degree equals 15 degree. And 135 degree minus 120 degree is equals to 15 degree. And negative 130 degree plus 45 degree is 15 degree. So the formula or the numbers that I pick is the formula of the sin A minus B equals sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. I pick na naman the subtraction formula or sign. So we have this sin 45 degree over 30 degree, which is our 45 is A and our 30 degree is B, equals to sin 45 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree and sin 30 degree. Okay, this one. All we need to do is to go in the unit circle, then find the value of our sin 45 degree, which is square root of 2 over 2, and cos 30 degree, which is square root of 3 over 2, minus, which is our sine, and cos 45 degree, the value in the unit circle is square root of 2 over 2, and sin 30 degree, which is 1/2. So multiply, and then multiply by pair, this one, I'm sorry, 2 square root of 2 times square root of 3 is equal to square root of 6, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and square root of 2 times 1 is square root of 2, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the answer is square root of 6 minus, because that is our sign, and to square root of 2 over 4. Copy the denominator because it's the same equal. So okay, next, let's discuss the sum and difference formula of the cosine. We have the two formula, which is cos A plus B equals cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So a difference for this formula in the sine formula, the sign was different. If we have the positive sign in the first value of this one, we have the first line, our sign can be changed into the negative sign, and also here our negative sign can be changed also into our positive sign. So further ado, let's start, and I give you some examples. Okay, first example, find the exact value of cos 7 pi over 12. Okay, so first step is we need to convert the radian to degree. So we have the 7 pi over 12 times 180 degree over radian. We can go with the answer of 7 times 18 times 10 over the 6 times 2. So 7 times 6 times 3, actually got times 5 times 2 over 6 times 2 is equal to 21. And 21 times 5 is equal to 105. That is the convention, ha? Step 1 pa yan. Then step 2 is we need to find the special angles for this number, because 105 is not in the unit circle. Note lang na kapag nag-solve tayo ng sum and difference formula, all numbers can be special. Kailangan nandun sa unit circle. Makikita siya kapag nag-solve lang tayo ng sum and difference formula. Okay? So our step 3 is the formula of cos A plus B minus cos A cos B minus cos sin A sin B, or cos sin sin. So we have this. Solve it. So we have the cos 60 degree plus 45 degree. So equals to our cos 60 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree and sin 45 degree. So all we need to do is to find the value of our cos and sine in the unit circle. So we have the cos 60 degree have the value of 1/2. And cos 45 degree is have the value of square root of 2 over 2, and the sin 60 degree is have the value of square root of 3 over 2, and the sin 45 degree is called the value of square root of 2 over 2. So our cosine and sine is our cos 45 and sin 45, sine cos 45 is have the same value, which is square root of 2 over 2. So let's multiply it by there. So 1 multiplied by square root of 2 is square root of 2, and square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6, and 2 times 2 we have 4. Also in the other side, 2 times 2 we have 4. So we can gain an answer of square root of 2 over square root of 6. Square root of 2 minus square root of 6 over 4, sorry. So this will be our answer on finding the 105 degree of cosine. So next we have find the exact value of cos 75 degree. So naka-degree na siya, so we cannot converge it, no? So all we need to do is just our step 1 is to find the special angles. So our 75 degree is not an special angles like this 30, 45, 120. So our the special angles that can be used is 30 degree or plus 45 degree equals to 75 degree, and 120 degree is minus 45 degree is equals to 75 degree. So our formula that can be used is cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So let's distribute our numbers. Our cos A is 120 degree and our cos B is the 45 degree. So cos 120 degree minus 45 degree equals to cos 120 degree cos 45 degree plus sin 120 degree sin 45 degree. So let's get the value of our cos and sine in the unit circle. So the value of our cos 120 degree is the negative 1/2. And our cos 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2 plus the value of our sin 120 degree is square root of 3 over 2, and the value of the sin 45 degree is the square root of 2 over 2. So let's multiply it by pair. So negative square root of 1 multiplied by square root of 2 is negative square root of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, plus by square root of 3 times square root of 2 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we can get the answer of square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4, this one. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope you have learned for my discussion, and see you on my next video. Thank you.